Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another hidden gem alert. EVERIPEDIA. Yes, that's right, EVERIPEDIA. It just got listed on crypto.com, and I've been doing some research on this, and this is definitely a hidden gem. It's on crypto.com. Even though it's not listed here, it really is on there, and you want to check it out. I'm going to give you some information on why you should add this in your portfolio, at least consider it. This is not financial advice, but just trying to give you some information on what I'm doing. Just want to share with you. My name is Adam Shelton, and so thank you for liking this video. Thank you for watching this video first. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this. And let's go ahead and dive into this content. EVERIPEDIA is really doing very well out there, and it's so undervalued right now. Its vision is to bring real-world data and knowledge to the blockchain. This information, EVERIPEDIA, Wikipedia. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, knowledge to the blockchain, helping verify facts in the era of misinformation and unlocking a new class of use cases in the financial market. Now, right here, it got my attention when I was doing research, helping verify facts in the era of misinformation and unlocking a new class of use cases in the financial markets. So I started looking at the website. This is the website of EVERIPEDIA. I keep wanting to say Wikipedia so much. I keep wanting to say Wikipedia, but it is the Wicca encyclopedia for everything, everyone, everywhere. This is very interesting. This is a very creative idea. The world's largest knowledge base powered by the 𝐒𝐭 token, due on CoinMarketCap. This is very interesting. It's basically a bunch of information that's tied in together, the ecosystem of knowledge on the blockchain. And so I went to their Twitter page and I noticed 117,000 followers. I had no idea they were growing like that. Had no idea. EVERIPEDIA information, bringing blockchain knowledge. So they're all about the blockchain knowledge, the information to the blockchain, because you need something like this, to be honest with you, because there's so much misinformation, and you got EVERIPEDIA that's breaking it down very simple, very easy for you to understand. And I start looking at this. They working with different yield farming on the quick swap. 𝐒𝐭 now has yield farming on the quick swap. I wonder why, because EVERIPEDIA is somewhere behind that. And then you look at some of the other things that they're doing. I'm just looking at the Twitter page. They're active on Twitter. These are recent tweets about information that's going on that's involving EVERIPEDIA. And so it got me thinking, like, all right, they have a Twitter following over 117,000. They're all about the ecosystem of knowledge on the blockchain, and this is what is tied together. I see Chainlink here, Celsius network on here. You know what? I see the predicted outcome of the future events right here, over here. You got sports, crypto, and you got popular articles. So you got things tied in together, and you don't really have too much really, projects that's really specialized in something like this. It's not a lot of specialty on here. And you got the beat chain here. You've got Binance coin. So you got really good information here, which I really would like about it. I like this message, the Wicca encyclopedia for everything, everyone, and everywhere. So I'm looking at the price here, and it's only 1 cent. Only 1 cent. This is absolutely is going to do wonders in the future. Price prediction on this, I've been looking here compared to the, let me go back here. Compared to the max supply and the total supply, only 10 billion. Oh my God, this is another project in a aggressive bull run. This can go up north close to $1 as well, because you got a low max supply. They have a Wikipedia of information, basically tying it all together. They have a growing Twitter following here, and they already on crypto.com. They're probably looking to get other exchanges as well. And let me see, Binance got everybody. Binance got everybody. But it's on crypto.com. That's where I literally saw them at. And I started doing my research about them as well, because I think it's something you need to know. And information, bringing information to the blockchain. So in aggressive bull run, I really feel like this can go close to $1. I'm going to say just right underneath $1, really. I'm still doing my research on this project, but I can see between 50 cents and $1 is my projection just right now in this hidden gem alert. Right now, that's my prediction. That's pretty good increase. If this gets to 50 cents, that's, oh my God. So I'm projecting about between 50 and $1, somewhere around that range. That is my price prediction, my opinion as well, based off some of the research I've done because of this EVERIPEDIA, everyone's encyclopedia. My name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video right now. Man, this was a fun video of finding information. I love this information in terms of bringing different things to the blockchain. Everybody are trying to find their actually niche here, and yes, I'm excited about it. That's why I think it's a hidden gem. All right, like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. And if you don't have I'm going to call it encyclopedia. EVERIPEDIA is on crypto.com. I do have the information right below this video. Also Binance.com as well. I see you tomorrow on the next video.